that when Girardi's around.
Nope.
He'll film you.
Don't mess up anymore. You're lucky I didn't catch you a few minutes ago.
This will be on YouTube tomorrow.
Let us know if you need any help, though.
Yeah, after we get the picture. Fucking Kevin, man. Yeah, on the that was Trail 6, I think, out on our Bret Hart expedition last year. He got his bike stuck in a tree horizontally, and he's rolling down the hill, and Girardi and we're running to get our cameras, you know.
The guy could be hurt, but you need to get a picture before you.
Yeah, exactly. He's all, you fuckers.